Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா ஏஷியா அண்ட் யூரோப் பார்ட் 2. போன இதில் வந்து என்னென்ன ரிவர்ஸ் ட்ரைனேஜ் அந்த என்னென்ன இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ரிவர்ஸ் எப்படிலாம் கிராஸ் ஆகுது அதெல்லாம் பற்றி பார்த்தோம். இதில் வந்து அவங்களோட climate சேஞ்சஸ் எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம். Climate. Asia exhibits a variety of climate. The northern part of Asia experience severe long winter and cool summer. Winter வந்து 37 degree Celsius வரும் and summer வந்து 10 degree Celsius வரும். Precipitation is in the form of the snow. 250 mm to 300 mm snow இருக்கும். The northern eastern part of Asia experiences cold winter and warm summer and a moderate rainfall of 50 mm to 250 mm. The southeast and eastern part of Asia are strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Summer is hot and humid, while winter is cool and dry. A summer monsoon winds bring heavenly rainfall to India, Bangladesh, Indochina, Philippines and southern China 1500 mm to 2500 mm. In India, Mysindram 11871 mm receives the highest rainfall. So, this place is called the wettest place in the world. The areas found in and around the equator have uniform climate throughout the year இருக்கும். Winter இருக்காது. The average temperature வந்து 27 degree Celsius. Rainfallனா 1270 mm இருக்கும். The west and central parts of Asia have hot dry climate. Temperature எப்பவுமே ஹையாக இருக்கும் during the day, அப்புறம் லோவாக இருக்கும் during the night. Rainfall varies from 25 mm to 200 mm. The west coastal fringe of Asia along the Mediterranean Sea receives rainfall in winter and is warm in summer. Deserts are found along the western part of Asia. The major hot deserts are the Arabian, Saudi Arabia and Thar, India and Pakistan deserts. The cold desert of Asia are Gobi and Taklamakan. The largest desert in Asia is the Arabian desert. The natural regions, flora and fauna. Climate, location, flora and fauna கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. High temperature, high rainfall. Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka. Flora வந்து evergreen trees, mahogany, rubber, rosewood, sal. Fauna என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா rhinoceros, tiger, babirusa, orangutan, komodo dragon. Summer rainfall, dry winter. இந்த டைமில் வந்து லொக்கேஷன் வந்து இந்தியா, வியட்நாம், கம்போடியா, தாய்லாந்து அண்ட் சதர்ன் சைனா. டெசிடோரஸ் ட்ரீ, டீக், சாண்டல்வுட், பேம்பு. அனிமல்ஸ் வந்து என்ன கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா டைகர், எலிஃபண்ட், இந்தியன் கோப்ரா அண்ட் வைப்பர். எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் டெம்பரேச்சர் எங்கே இருக்குன்னா அரேபியன் டெசர்ட், நார்த் வெஸ்ட் இந்தியா. கேக்டஸ், டேட்ஸ், ஓசஸ், thorny shrubs, babul tree. Bacterian camel, the sand grouse, desert oryx. Dry winter, warm summer. East China, Japan, North and South Korea. Cherry, apricot and plum. Giant panda, Japanese macaque. Warm summer and winter rainfall there. Israel, Lebanon, Turkey and Syria. Figs, olives, citrus fruits. Lynx, jackrabbit. Long and dry winter, short and cool summer. Siberia, Himalayas. Coniferous tree, pine, fir and spruce. Animals வந்து Siberian tiger, brown bear, wolf. Permanent snow cover beyond the snow line. Lichen, Moses grass. Polar bear, lemming, reindeer, Arctic fox. Animals என்னென்னலாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க orangutan, tiger, bacterian camel, panda, wolf and lynx. Fact: a desert is a large area that gets very low rainfall and a very few plant and animals. There are two types of deserts found in Asia: hot and cold deserts. Do you know Rubel Khali Desert is the largest continuous sandy desert in the world. It is found in the southeastern part of Saudi Arabia. Mineral resources என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா resources, space and economic activities of Asia. Asia has a variety of mineral deposits. It holds an important place in the production of iron, coal, manganese, bauxite, zinc, tungsten, petroleum, tin, etc. Oil and natural gas found in the West Asian countries. One third of the world oil is produced in Asia. Among the West Asian countries, iron has a considerable wealth of mineral sources. The important minerals found in Asia are iron ore. Asia has the largest deposits of iron ore in the world. China and India are the important iron ore deposit countries of Asia. Turkey, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, etc. are a few other countries that have iron ore deposits. Coal is a fossil fuel. Asia has the largest deposits of coal in the world. China and India are the largest producer of coal in Asia. Petroleum is a mineral oil. The largest petroleum reserves are found in Southwest Asia. The important petroleum producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar and UAE. South China, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, India, Russia are the other important petroleum producing countries in Asia. Bauxite is found in India and Indonesia. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Tin is found in Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia and Indonesia. Agriculture. Asia's agriculture பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். Only about 18% of the total area is cultivable in Asia. Agriculture is the chief occupation of the people here. The river valleys in the south, southeast and East Asia have rich alluvial soil. Agriculture is intensively practiced in the riverine plains of Asia. Some areas are not suitable for agricultural practices. India is the largest area of arable lands in Asia. Most of the West Asian countries cultivate their crops where the groundwater level is nearer to the surface. Iraq practices agricultural activities based on the availability of rainfall and supply of water from Euphrates and Tigris rivers. Rice and wheat are the staple food crops in Asia. China and India are the leading producers of rice in the world. Other important rice producing countries are Myanmar, Japan, Bangladesh and Thailand. Monsoon Asia is suitable for rice cultivation because of the abundant rainfall, fertile plains and availability of labor. Thailand is called the rice bowl of Southeast Asia. ரொம்ப important. Wheat is grown in the temperature regions of Asia. Russia, India, China and Pakistan are the leading producers of wheat in Asia. Millets வந்து bajra, jowar, ragi and sorghum are sown in the drier parts of Asia. These are widely cultivated in India, Pakistan and a few Gulf countries. Apart from this, pulses, spices and oilseeds are also cultivated in various parts of Asia. Jute and cotton. Jute and cotton are the most important natural fibers cultivated in Asia. One third of the world's cotton is produced by Asia. The major cotton producing countries are India, China, Russia and Kazakhstan. India, Pakistan, China and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Cocoa tree. The tropical wet and dry climate is suitable for sugarcane cultivation in Asia. India, Indonesia and Philippines are the major producers of sugarcane. Coffee, tea, rubber, palm trees and cocoa are the important plantation crops. India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia and Indonesia are important producers of plantation crops. Malaysia and Thailand are the leading producers of natural rubber. Dates are produced in West Asia. Among the countries, Iran is the largest producer of dates in the world. Do you know Bano Rice Terrace? The Bano Rice Terraces were built 2000 years ago by the Ifugos people in the Philippines. It is located approximately about 1024 meters above sea level. Fishing. Fishing is an important economic activity in Asia. It is prevalent in open seas as well as inland water bodies. China and Japan are the leading fishing nations. In Cambodia, Tonle Sap Lake is one of the world's richest sources of freshwater fishing. Bay of Bengal is a major fishing ground for India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Fishing is the mainstay of the natural economy in Maldives. Pearl fishing. Bahrain is popular in the east coast of Arabia. Industrial regions. In China, Manchurian, Shanghai, Wuhan, Peking, Shenyang, Guangdong, Hong Kong regions are the major industrial regions. In Japan, the major regions are Tokyo, Yokohama, Osaka, Kyoto regions. In India, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Bengaluru, and Chota Nagpur are the most important industrial regions. Transport. Transport is the backbone of the economic development of a region. Many Asian countries are developing their transport network for their economic progress. Roadway is the most common mode of transport in Asia. Roadways. The Asian highway connects Tokyo in the east to Turkey in the west, Russia in the north to Indonesia in the south, and the total length of the road is 141,000 km. It passes through 32 countries. The Asian Highway AH1 is the longest highway among the Asian highway network, 20,557 km. It connects Tokyo to Turkey. The Asian Highway 43 AH43 runs from Agra in India to Matara in Sri Lanka, 3,024 km. The Trans-Siberian Railways 9,258 km is the longest rail route in the world. It is a transcontinental railway line which connects Leningrad and Vladivostok. The Trans-Asian Railway links Singapore and Istanbul in Turkey. The Shinkansen bullet train is a world-famous super express train that runs between Osaka and Tokyo in Japan at a speed of 350 km per hour. The Indian Railway network is the second largest railway network in Asia. Waterways. Shanghai Rainbow. The Cape of Good Hope route connects Europe to South Asia. The Trans-Pacific route connects the ports to Eastern Asia to the ports of Western American countries. The Suez Canal route passes through the heart of the world trade route and connects Europe with South and Southeast Asia. Tokyo, Shanghai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Chennai, Mumbai, Karachi, and Dubai are the most important seaports in Asia. To be continued in third part. Thank you. Please support us.